A pay-as-you-earn or PAYE Settlement Agreement is also known as a PSA. You can apply for a new PSA or amend an existing agreement online. You need to do this by the 5th of July following the end of the tax year the agreement relates to. You can also cancel your PSA online. To apply for a new PSA or amend an existing one, you'll need to provide the following: your PAYE reference, the tax year you want the new agreement or amendment to take effect, and the benefits you want to include in the PSA. When we've agreed which benefits can be included in your PSA, we'll send you a letter to confirm this. We'll then send you a P626 form by post. This is your PSA. You don't need to renew the PSA each year. It will continue until either you or HMRC cancels it, or you need to amend it. If you cannot apply online, you can apply by post. The postal address is on screen. You can find out more about PAYE settlement agreements on gov.uk and in our other helpful videos on YouTube.